All right, so I've got the JBL Tour Pro 3 earbuds, and I'm going to show you how to use the case as an Auracast receiver. So basically, you should be able to connect to other Auracast devices and use basically and play their music. Okay. Now for this example, I'm going to use this JBL Clip 5, which has Auracast, and I'm going to try and connect to this. Now this one is the one paired with the earbuds, and we're going to show you how to do this. So let me turn this on. So it's going to connect to a different device. There you go. So now let's press the Auracast button on the JBL Clip 5. And then now to use this as an Auracast receiver, you want to go to the app and then tap on Bluetooth at the top. All right. So just tap on Bluetooth and then you should see Auracast receiver and you can turn that on from here. Now, as this one is broadcasting via Auracast, this one should pick it up. All right. So let's just wait. And in case it's taking too long, you can just press the Auracast button again. Then let's wait for that to show up there. So there you go. It's been detected. So the JBL Clip 5. So you can tap on that. And there you go. So you can see that is now connected and added to the source. So now you can pick your earbuds, put them in your ear, and share the exact same music that's playing on this speaker. So that's basically how to use the earbuds as an Auracast receiver. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and good luck.